This video reviews the activities that take place on the first day of the week. To begin, click on the first story tile. Let's start with the Lesson tab. Some of the instructional slides were created just for you, the Little Legends program instructor. These particular slides have a yellow background in the upper corners, like the slide on the left. These slides give you an easy reference point for the day's activities and can be used instead of, or in addition to, the printable lesson plan. The remaining slides, like the slide on the right, have a blue background and are to be presented to your students. The first slide of the lesson shows an overview of the week. Note that these have a yellow background and are not intended for the students, as discussed previously. These are your reference slides. The second yellow instructional slide presents an overview of the activities on day 1 and the materials you'll need. The blue background on the third slide indicates that it is the slide to present to students. You'll want to have this slide open as the students are entering the classroom or common area. Once the students are settled and you have read the welcome slide aloud, click on the Story tab to open the storybook slides. Expand to full screen to present and read the story with your students. While reading the story, it's good to engage your students by inviting them to help read, act out scenes from the story, make predictions, or discuss their thoughts and feelings about the story. After reading the story, return to the Lesson tab and move to the fourth slide. This slide includes questions you can use to engage your students in a discussion about the story. After discussing the story, proceed to the next lesson slide, which has instructions for the physical game. Note the blue background. This indicates that you'll be sharing these slides with your students. We recommend explaining the rules and procedures of the game, modeling the gameplay with a few student helpers, repeating the rules and procedures, and then directing the first round of play. The physical game for Story 1 is Gimbal Says. It's inspired by Simon Says, but includes the use of drone movement commands such as throttle, yaw, pitch, and roll. Use these slides to teach students the different directions drones use to navigate. For each drone flight command, the students make a similar movement. For example, step right equals roll right, tiptoe up equals throttle up. Kids love this game. Play Gimbal Says with the whole class, inviting students to take turns being Gimbal. Following the game, you may choose to conduct a drone demonstration. Wrap up the day by cleaning up and holding a class discussion about being legendary.